Alright, so we'll discuss the second part of the adenoid series that we were discussing. So let's start with some remedies today. So first remedy of today, the third remedy, Merck bin iod, the Merck iod rubrum that we all know, and it has a remedy for tonsil enlarge, and the major PQR is that he breathes with the open mouth. He breathes with the open mouth. And whenever you have seen a child who breathes with the open mouth or with the adenoids or the tonsil enlarge, think about the Merck iod rubrum. It's a major PQRS of this remedy, and the tonsils are grayish, yellowish, slight, easily detached. These are the major PQR, and prefer for left-sided tonsillitis. Generally, the left-sided tonsillitis is there, but it can be also a good remedy for the right-sided, but it's preferably on the left-sided. That's the major key. And some of the rubrics you can check in Nair repertory. Only single remedy, Merck iod rubrum for swallow, breathes with open mouth. That's the major PQR that we have to remember here. And in boring repertory, tonsil deposit on grayish, yellow, slight, easily detached, warts on left. That's the major thing. Whenever you can find something grayish type, yellowish type, slight, easily detached type, which is warts on the left side of the tonsils, think of Merck iod rubrum. And another, the Nair repertory, the quinsy in the left sided, Merck iod rubrum is the remedy which can be thought of. If you are thinking of the potency, if you are giving 30, gives it TDS for 3 to 4 days, and if you are giving 200, you can give BD for 3-4 days or OD for 3-4 days. That's the major thing we have. So the second remedy of today, it's very common remedy, the Phytolacca deck remedy for Caryophyllaceae family. It's a subclass basically, Caryophyllaceae, and it's widely used to treat adenoids and tonsils. And the major PQR is a feeling of bluish pain in the tonsil, especially in the morning. There is sensation of bluish pain in the morning, and pulsation is also observed in the right tonsillitis. So you can check out some rubrics, bluish pain and right side tonsillitis. Remember this remedy. And pulsation, this can be the major key to enter the pulsation. Whenever someone will put the hand here and you will see the pulse, check the pulse in the tonsillitis. Think of Phytolacca, my dear friend. Remedy you can use is 30 and 200. Similarly, 30 if you are giving TDS for 3 to 4 days or probably 5 to 6 days, or 200 OD for 3 to 4 days. Okay, so next remedy, Sanguinaria nitricum, a miraculous drug I have used in many cases of right-sided tonsillitis, especially right-sided tonsillitis. Whenever symptom may apis fail, think of Sanguinaria nitricum, a very well-known remedy. The tonsil, red, puffy, enlarged tonsillitis like apis, it's quite common, similar to the apis, and which has difficulty in swelling. That should be there, difficulty in swelling. Here you can see red tonsillitis and right tonsil, difficulty in swelling, that can be the major key. Along with tonsil, whenever there is difficulty in swelling, in apis there won't be that much difficulty in swelling, but in Sanguinaria nitricum it should be the difficulty in swelling. So 30 as always, I repeat it, TDS for 4 to 5 days, even sometimes the DPS is a QID as well. And if you are giving 200, think of BD or OD for 3 to 4 days. That's the major key, how to enter the remedy. And this all remedy can be useful in a given case, and if you are getting something very peculiar out of this remedy, give that. My suggestion is to give that, and if you are feeling constantly, you can think of that. Even this remedy, I am make sure that out of 10, 6 to 7 patients might get relief from this remedy. These are that effective remedy, these are that proved remedy, not my being, but all the pioneers have proved this remedy, and this is from the authentic sources I am giving you. And I just want to make sure to give you the authentic sources reference so that you can use in your practice and you can get some good results. Okay, so this is all in the book that we have written along with Dr. Rajarshi Mishra, published by ROS, Range of Minimum Publication, and it's getting wonderful results. So I want to show all to reference to all my teachers who taught me so much, especially Dr. Rajarshi Mishra, my co-author of this, who taught me so much. And you can contact me, nishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.